Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So yesterday I did an acrylic pour using all of the 28 colors that come in the Arteza Pouring acrylic color set. Unfortunately, they are currently sold out right at this exact second, but they told me they should be back in stock pretty soon, which is good because I'm almost out. The painting I did yesterday came out really red. It had all the warm colors, and so if you didn't see that, I'll put the link in the description. Check it out. But today I'm doing the same thing, but I reversed the colors. And also, I'm going to be using probably a little bit less of each color in here, mainly because some of them I only have a little bit less than a half an ounce. So I'm going for a little bit less than a half an ounce of each color. And I am going to speed this part up because it takes a while. One other thing real quick is instead of opening the top like this and just squirting them out, I'm going to actually unscrew the tops to get less air bubbles in there and be a little more deliberate with how I pour the paint. So here we go. Okay, that is a beautiful cup. And I feel much more confident about this one. So here we go. Also, there is less paint in the cup than yesterday. I think this is going to turn out to be super amazing. I know some people did want me to do a flip cup, but I'm sorry, I just wanted to get the tree ring just how I liked it. So I'm doing the tree ring again. When I get some more of these paints, because there are some colors that I'm completely out of now, I will do this same thing with a flip cup though. So there we go. I'm pretty sure I already said it, but definitely less paint this time, as you can probably tell. And we've got all the colors are showing now, but it seems like we almost may have virtually no red this time, which is kind of funny. All right. Let's see what happens. And I would love to do some more experiments with these paints. I'm just out of some colors, and Arteza is out of them, so I can't even order more, which is total bummer. And I'm sorry for you guys that want to try them. They did say they'd be getting them back in stock in 2 to 4 weeks. That was, I think I asked yesterday, so. All right, this is a lot of pink. Okay, so that's very interesting. We definitely got the cool colors coming out this time, and the red kind of completely disappeared this time, which is interesting. All right. So let's go ahead. We'll let this sit here for a little bit, see if anything else develops, and then we'll come back in and we will do our close-up. Alrighty, not much changing. Let's go ahead and do our close-up. So here is the lower right-hand corner. You can see on this side a bit of the reds and oranges kind of peeking through. But they're definitely more kind of hidden and mixed in there. So coming up to the upper right-hand corner, once again, a little bit of that red and orange kind of peeking through on this corner. Lots of purples and pinks. Up to the upper left-hand corner. Love this with the blues and greens. And down to the lower left-hand corner. And then overall. So there you have it, guys. Reversed colors. If I had more, I would actually try this probably one more time, starting with blue as the first color. This kit does have quite a few pinks in it. And so this is a little too pink for my liking, but I like it. It's like cotton candy here. So let me know what you guys think. I will definitely take votes on if you preferred this version or yesterday's version with all the red in it. And also, guys, I'm only like 80 subscribers right now away from 250,000, which is awesome. 250,000 subscribers at the time I'm making this. So please, please, please do me a big, big, big favor and share this video and ask your friends to subscribe, because I definitely want to hit that goal today. And thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.